Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn to knit this very easy pattern. You can knit this pattern in your gents sweater, ladies sweater, baby's blanket, cover, cushion cover, pillow cover, right? You can knit in any project. So this is only 4 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast in multiples of 2 plus 2 edge stitch, or you can cast in any even number of stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 12 stitches on my needle. 2 4 6 8 10 12 stitches on my needle. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 1 knit 1, that's the repeat. Purl 1 and knit 1, purl 1 knit 1, that's the repeat. Repeat that again. Purl 1 and knit 1, purl 1 knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1, purl 1 knit 1, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. You will purl on purl stitch and slip on this knit stitch. Purl 1 and slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, purl on purl stitch and slip on this knit stitch. Purl 1, slip 1, purl 1 and slip 1, purl 1, slip 1, last edge stitch purl. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 purl 1. Before we did on row 1 we did purl 1 knit 1, and now on row 3 we're gonna do knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1, that's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 1. Again, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1, knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1, and your edge stitch knit. Row 4 wrong side, last row, edge stitch slip purl wise on the wrong side, and start the repeat from here. Slip 1 and purl 1, slip on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch, slip 1 purl 1, slip 1 and purl 1, edge stitch purl. That's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 4 rows, row 1 to row 4, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. See, this is the pattern. So this is how you knit this pattern. If you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.